Hi everyone, I'm Bob Kovacs, and this is a review of the Hotec H-U05 wireless microphone. This is an amazing little microphone, and what's most amazing about it is its cost. It's $40. $40 for a wireless microphone that includes the clip-on lavalier microphone that you see on me. It also comes with a head-worn microphone, so it comes with two microphones, one transmitter, and one receiver that plugs into the camera, all for $40. That's the amazing thing about it. Also, they're made from metal. Both the receiver and the transmitter are very small, and they're made from metal of all things. I would have thought that something at that price point would be all very plasticky. These actually feel like nice quality components, and they're very small. And they have built-in batteries that are easily recharged through their USB ports. You can plug in any cell phone charger to recharge the built-in batteries in the unit, and they run up to 2 hours or so on a charge, which is, pretty good for a wireless microphone. Now, if you could put in a bigger battery, yeah, you might get 8 hours out of a charge, but these are very tiny. Tiny means that they're lightweight and they don't take up a lot of space, and those are also very good attributes. Not only that, but the transmitter has controls on it that allow you to raise and lower the volume of the microphone. I've seen some videos that are shot with this, and the level of the audio from the microphone is very low, and my thinking is that the people that made those videos did not use the controls on the front panel to turn up the volume from the microphone, because I find that it has plenty of volume. The sound quality is okay. You can't get everything you want in a wireless microphone for $40. In fact, I'm amazed you can get anything at all. But the sound quality is okay. As I speak on it now, there's some background hiss, which my hearing is not all that good, so it's kind of a strain for me to hear it, but you might be able to hear it. Right now, I am using this microphone, so you will be getting that background hiss. Now, I have some software with my editing software that I use. It's made by Isotope. It's Isotope RX7 audio software, and it will cut out that background hiss. So right now, I'm talking on the Hotec wireless microphone without attempting to cut out the background hiss. And here's what it sounds like after I run it through the Isotope RX7 software and cut out the background hiss. That really makes a significant difference, especially if your ears are sensitive in that higher frequency range. One other thing about the Hotec, the advertised range of the microphone, the wireless microphone, is 100 feet. I tested it out to 100 feet and it was breaking up a little bit. Here's a little bit of that test. And actually, I guess that this is probably about the limit of operation. Now I'm going to walk toward the camera, and I was getting some breakup when I tried this test before, but let me stop right around here. I would guess that here I'm about 50 feet or so from the camera. Let's call that 50 feet is probably, 15, 16 meters. Now I'm facing away from the camera, so the body pack transmitter is transmitting directly to the receiver. Turning around now, it's got to go back through my body to get to the receiver to see if that makes a difference. Heading closer to the camera, should definitely be receiving me now, and now I'm maybe 10 meters away, maybe 30 feet or so, and turning around, see if that makes a difference. Should be receiving me from here. There is a bit of a breeze out here, so there may be some rumbling in the microphone because of that breeze, but it's not too bad. Actually, mostly calm at the moment. Coming a little closer. Now I'm maybe 10 or 12 feet away, and at this location, we should be getting a rock-solid signal, whether I'm facing toward the camera or away from the camera. Wireless microphones give you this incredible sense of mobility. You can be anywhere and get great sound back to the camera. Now, this is where I was shooting before. I'm now about 15 feet away from the camera, no cords. I have shot with the camera that far away, running a cord back to it, and it really is a pain. You have to always watch for the cord. And wireless microphones give you that sense of freedom with no more wires. Yes. So the Hotec wireless mic is an amazing value for 40 bucks. I mean, you get the wireless mic transmitter, you get the receiver, and two different microphones. Previously, I had on the clip-on lavalier mic. Now I've got the head microphone on. But it's amazing. It comes with all of that stuff for just $40. On the other hand, there is some background hiss in the sound. The sound quality is otherwise not bad, but you have to deal with that background hiss. Now, if the alternative is not using any other microphone and you're going to use the built-in microphones in the camera, well, this is a much, much better way to go. I have been using a microphone by Audio-Technica, a plug-in wired microphone, and it costs around $30. So this is only $10 more, and you not only get the clip-on microphone, you get the head-worn microphone, and of course, you get the wireless convenience. So I'm impressed with the build quality, with the overall design, with the accessories that come with this wireless mic. Now the sound quality leaves a little bit to be desired because of the background hiss, but other than that, it's much better than working with your camera's built-in microphone. So I'm really impressed by that. And of course, the amount that it costs, it's a tremendous value. So I'm overall quite impressed with the Hotec H-U05 wireless microphone. Hey everybody, I'm Bob Kovacs. Thanks for watching.